Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Wagwan, welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we're making the ultimate curry ackee and saltfish recipe. Stay tuned. So you want to turn your stove to about a medium-high heat, and then you're going to add your oil. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Then add your curry powder. Stir it up, and we're going to burn the curry just like that. Then here I have some onion, peppers, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, thyme, all that good stuff. Mix it up. Just like that. And then we're gonna add our saltfish. Drop it right in. We don't waste no time. Yeah, mix it up. It's already smelling good. And this is the curry ackee and saltfish, Yeah, man. And in a few seconds, we're gonna add our ackee. Drop in the ackee them. And guys, the ackee is already boiled. My saltfish is already boiled. And just to remove some of that saltiness from this saltfish. And the ackee already boiled off and everything good. Alright? So we're just gonna fold it in. We're not gonna mix it because we don't want to break up the ackee too much. Kind of fold it in nice and slow. Yeah, just like that. And here, guys, I have some all-purpose seasoning with some crushed pimento. All right, so we're gonna mix these two together. Mix it up. And then we're just gonna pour it on top. And then we're gonna mix it up. Just like that. We're just gonna close the pot, guys, and then let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Yes, guys, and you cannot have ackee and saltfish without the fried breadfruit, The roast and fry. Yeah, so I'm just gonna enjoy my ackee and saltfish this morning with some fried roast breadfruit, alright? Yeah, man, Jamaican style.